most of the time we bring things that don't need to come to social media, we bring it to social media, because I have a belief that most of you guys on social media don't really care about us. That's the truth. You don't really care about us. When all these things happen, when we come out and wash our dirty linen in public, you just see it as the next entertainment. Okay, that's like the next thing that is, So, and I think we're doing ourselves more damage when we bring our personal affairs online to be talking about it. So, let me point this out very quickly. I don't want to talk too long. Number one, what Femi Adebayo did could have happened to any of us. If I was at that event, which I was supposed to be, but I was working, if I was at that event and it was me that Eniola called on the Abrafemi, Ebabami announcing winner for Kini and everything, the spur of the moment, and they say, okay, who's the winner and Lagbajabai and everything. Do you understand what I'm saying? I mean, probably I was, but why is he getting out? And they tell me that it's just for balls or whatever. I would announce it. At that moment, I won't think about any implication or any whatever, any consideration. I would not at that moment. I'm not trying to justify what anybody did, but I'm saying that what Femi Adebayo did, if I was there, I could have made that same mistake. And I wouldn't know that at that point in time that it was a mistake. Femi went there to support a junior colleague, and which is what we do. He went there to support a junior colleague. He didn't go for a paid job that they paid him to come out. He was supporting a junior colleague. Do you understand? We talk about helping each other to grow and everything. That is what Femi went there to do. You understand? So by bashing him and doing all this, we're not making him regret going out to support another filmmaker that is trying to come out or that is trying to come up. I mean, this is the first time Eniola Ajao is like going to the cinema, and it is only right that someone like Femi should lend his support, which is what he was just trying to do. He might have made a mistake and everything, but I just want to appeal to all of us. I mean, this is a brand that he has built for years. Let's not, because of just this little mistake, now start bashing him out. Please. Anybody could have made that mistake. We are all hypocrites. Forget about it. We are all hypocrites. It could have happened to any of us. The excitement of the moment, the spur of the moment. You won't, at that point, you won't think about that. Do you understand? So please, make una no vex. What happened to Femi could have happened to anybody, including myself. Joe, he was just trying to support a junior colleague. Please, I take God back, una no vex. Okay? Dayo's initial outburst was justified, because if we as men can even feel insulted on behalf of the woman that, okay, fine and everything, why does it have to be this person that was announced or not? You understand? Then you can imagine how the women who were on that line felt. You can imagine how they were there. You understand? You can imagine. So Dayo had, every right to be aggrieved and to be insulted and to be, you understand? She has every right. Now, I'm not saying that everything she said was okay and all that, which I told her in, the message I sent to her. You understand? But at the same time, she had a right. Now, the level where the whole thing don't go now is what I'm not happy about. You understand? Please. I've already appealed to them on a personal level. You understand? So before coming out here to say it, you understand? Because, we don't need it. This is a relationship that has been built over decades. Femi and Dayo have known each other. They've been colleagues. They've been working together for decades. It's not for weeks or months, or it's for decades. So no be this small thing. I you can't spoil that kind of relationship. Now, finally, on a final note, I think every artist who has come out to take sides in this matter should be ashamed of themselves. I am really ashamed of you guys. Every artist that has come out to take sides in the matter between Dayo and Femi Adebayo should be ashamed of themselves. Because I'm sorry, but I just see you guys just trying to chase clout. I am sorry. That's the way I see it. Because if you truly love them and you truly want to support them, you should do it underground. I'm sure you have their numbers. You understand? If you felt that what Dayo said about Femi is not right and everything, pick up the phone and call Dayo. If you can't call her, send her a message. Send her a message on WhatsApp, whatever. Or just keep quiet. what good have you achieved by coming online and taking sides and bashing the other person? Do you understand what I'm saying? Look, and I'm saying that, look, this thing is not about Femi or Dayo. Everybody's just seeing this opportunity to just vent. Maybe they don't get Dayo for mine before. Do you understand? Or maybe the people that are just tearing at Femi, they don't get Femi for mine before, or whatever. Do you understand? Because if two people have an issue, we call ourselves colleagues. We are all professional colleagues and everything. We should be looking for how to settle it, not how to pour petrol in the fire. If two of our colleagues have an issue, if you cannot settle it or mediate towards peace, then keep quiet. Keep quiet. We just keep ridiculing ourselves before the world. We just keep making a mockery of ourselves before the world. All in the name of catching crews or of chasing clout. Is it really worth it at the end of the day, though? I mean, really, is it? Is it? Is it? Two colleagues have an issue every to come out and see how you make peace. You are using that opportunity to vent your own personal grievances, which is how I see it. No, we really should do better. We really should do better. We really should do better. Please, I am appealing to everyone in this matter to please sheath their swords. Eniola has worked so hard to promote this movie. She has worked so, every time I see her online, every time I see any new content, I'm like, hey, yeah, because it's not easy taking content, producing a movie once, spending that much money, getting Richmond to do that kind of project, then now having to promote and market it. It's not easy. Do you understand? And that is all Eniola was trying to do. Create hype, create a buzz for her movie. So, this now happening, I feel very bad for her.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arákùnrin yìí tó sọ nínú fídíò yìí ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe give judgement rẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ rò wípé nǹkan tí arákùnrin yìí ó dàbí ẹ rò wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí sọ ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin tàbí kò ní ṣe pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ rárá àti rárá o.
That's also a lesson for us when we're trying to create buzz and create hype. We should also be very, very careful, and we should also be very, very sensitive about the kind of content we use in creating hype and creating a buzz for our work.